All right, guys. Johnny Rizzo here again. Marketing ain't easy, and we are getting the book put together. I'm here with Mike
Quinones.
Quinones, our illustrator for the project. So we're going through some of what he's been putting together, and we're going to put memes and pictures for every chapter. So let's see if I can get a good. Let me flip it around here. Watch this. Let's see if I can. It's not going to happen.
No.
Let's see. So let's see if we can.
There you go. So
Let's see what he's been going on here.
There's some. Then we have
Teaching, teaching people the book. Looking got to get over. We're gonna put some text on these hurdles there for the different aspects of your business that you might be getting over or falling over. Examining the mind of your client. Yep. Going through. How great are these drawings? I'm so excited. These are fantastic. I can't wait. And then stopping talking, right, and listening to your customer. That's how you're going to learn to communicate with your audience. You got to listen to them, So, Mike is a fantastic illustrator. He's got some beautiful artwork on the walls and a wonderful daughter, and my daughter's over here as well, and his dog here. So we're just hanging out, getting some of the drawings done.
Yeah.
What do you think?
it's actually looking really good. So I can't wait until we finish. It's like I'm all pumped up now.
Yeah, it's coming great. So thank you so much, man. I'm excited.
No problem.
And keep a lookout, everybody.